If your Lucidchart comments are not loading, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll start with the simplest checks first, then move into browser cleanup, extension conflicts, network issues, hardware acceleration, and finally one last document fix if the problem is isolated to a single diagram. This is the kind of issue that can usually be solved in just a few minutes once you know where to look. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. This is important because it helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your normal browser session, your cache, or one of your extensions. Open your browser menu in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then select New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Once that window opens, sign into Lucidchart and open the same document where the comments are not loading. If the comments appear normally here, that's a strong sign the issue is not Lucidchart itself, but something in your regular browser setup. If the comments load in incognito mode, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached files or outdated cookies can interfere with how Lucidchart syncs comments and loads interface elements. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. On Mac, press CMD, Shift, and Delete together. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and cached images and files are checked. After that, click Clear Data. Once that finishes, close and reopen your browser, then log back into Lucidchart and check the document again. This simple step fixes a lot of loading problems. If that still doesn't solve it, move on to browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can mistake Lucidchart's comment system for blocked content. Temporarily disable your extensions, especially anything that filters scripts, pop-ups, or tracking. After disabling them, refresh the Lucidchart page and test the comments again. If they suddenly load, then you found the cause. At that point, re-enable the extensions one by one until you find the exact one creating the conflict. Once you identify it, you can decide whether to keep it off for Lucidchart or add Lucidchart to its allow list. Next, check your network and VPN. In some cases, work firewalls, office proxies, or active VPN connections can block the real-time services Lucidchart uses for collaboration and comments. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and refresh the page. If you're on a restricted work or school network, try switching to a personal Wi-Fi network or even a mobile hotspot. Then reopen Lucidchart and see if the comments appear. If they do, then the issue is likely network filtering rather than a problem with your account or document. Another fix that often helps is disabling hardware acceleration. If the comments panel is blank, sluggish, or the whole canvas feels laggy, your browser's graphics settings may be interfering with the interface. In Chrome, you can go to Chrome Safari Settings System or open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or use Hardware Acceleration if you see that option. After disabling it, fully restart the browser. Don't just close the tab, completely relaunch the browser, then open Lucidchart again and test the comments. This can fix rendering issues that prevent parts of the interface from displaying correctly. If none of those steps work, the issue may be specific to a single diagram. In that case, try duplicating the document. Go to your Lucidchart documents list, find the affected diagram, right-click it, and choose Duplicate. Then open the copied version and test the comments there. If the duplicate works fine, the original file may be corrupted in some way, or the issue may be tied to that one diagram specifically. Duplicating the file gives you a clean version to continue working from and often resolves stubborn document-level glitches. So to quickly recap, test in incognito first, clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, check your VPN and network, turn off hardware acceleration, and if needed, duplicate the document. Those are the most reliable fixes for Lucidchart comments not loading. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment below if you want help with another Lucidchart issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.